Keto and carnivore are often framed as competing diets. They're not. They are ways of eating along the same metabolic spectrum with different levels of simplicity and structure. For many people, a ketogenic lifestyle restores metabolic health. Blood sugar stabilizes, hunger quiets, inflammation drops. That's not a stepping stone, that's a destination. But for others, symptoms persist. They may continue on with digestive distress, autoimmune flares, skin issues, joint pain, lingering inflammation, or food noise that never fully resolves. This is where Strategy Saturday comes in. For those individuals, carnivore isn't a temporary fix. It becomes a lifestyle because removing plant variability brings relief, clarity, and stability they could not achieve otherwise. Carnivore makes sense as a lifestyle when autoimmune or inflammatory conditions improve dramatically. Plant fibers, sweeteners, dairy consistently trigger symptoms. Simplicity restores hunger regulation. Mental clarity and energy improve long term, not just initially. So in these cases, carnivore isn't restrictive. It's actually very liberating. Now here's where honesty matters. Carnivore does not make sense when keto already provides metabolic stability and symptom relief. Whole foods are well tolerated. Protein or calories are not chronically underconsumed. Or carnivore isn't used to override signals rather than respond to them. Because carnivore isn't about forcing weight loss, and it isn't about a badge of discipline. It's a way of eating that works beautifully for the right physiology. Some people live well on keto long term, some live best on carnivore long term. Others move between the two based on the season, stress, or health status. The strategy isn't escalation, the strategy is alignment. So when food choices reduce inflammation, quiet hunger, and restore trust with your body, you're in the right place. I'll see you tomorrow.